Hello, the initial task that I would like to have done is to take this spreadsheet, the one that says Corbin has all the numbers in it that I need. So, for example, this is the value with build. So if you go to the value, the tabs I need done are here. The value increase is what I need done, I guess right here. So use this formula and put those numbers, the value increase in these spots here. And then the other thing that I need done is the projections with build. I've gone down some, this is the starting number. But I need this carried down, adding this formulation all the way down. So let me go back to this Corbin one so you can see the numbers on it. Go to the projections and then you can see where these numbers are. You're just going to add it in just like that, all the way down like that. And then, so I need all of those put in, and then I need the average rent. Actually, you might not be able to do the average rent, but the income per month. And then the investor rate of return. So those are the fields that I need done. Again, I need the value increase on the value with build tab done. And then on the projections, I need these projections all the way down. Once you get this formula in, these formulas should work just fine. Otherwise you might have to do E9. Yeah, E9, that's fine. That'll work. And then put in the average rent income per month and then the investor rate of return. Thank you.